Do you have an automotive paint supply store or a body shop? Then you may already be making touch-up colors for your private customers. In fact, almost all cars on the road have some stone chips or small scratches. A paint shop with the mixing machine can quickly make a small amount of paint based on the color code. But we know that the base coat paint itself is not durable. It needs a clear coat. If we give the customer the normal two-component clear coat, then it will dry very quickly in the bottle. If we give it without the hardener, then it will take a long time to dry and again it will not provide adequate protection. But there is a very good solution from Etalon. 997BC Converter for base coats. This special binder turns the base coat into a single stage paint. It does not require hardener. BC Converter from Etalon increases the hardness of the paint, has anti-scratch properties and protection from UV rays. At the same time, it leaves a nice shine and can even be polished if needed after complete drying. Base coat colors that, according to the manufacturer's instructions, are diluted up to 50% with thinner reducer are mixed with Etalon 997BC Converter 1:1 by volume or by weight instead of the thinner or reducer. While base coat colors that, according to the manufacturer's instructions, are diluted up to 100% with thinner reducer are mixed with Etalon 997BC Converter 1:1 by volume or by weight and from 30 to 50% of the thinner or reducer. Additionally, the same formulation can be used for filling up aerosol sprays with the color of choice. This is it from me today. Visit our website etalon/refinish.com for more information. Thank you.